In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a chat from a project in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and what to click, so you can keep your projects tidy and focused. This is helpful when a conversation is no longer relevant to the work you're doing, or you simply want to declutter the project's chat list. Start by looking at the left sidebar. This is your main navigation area, and it's where your projects live. Take a moment to identify the project you want to clean up. If you collaborate with a team, make sure you're viewing the correct project so you don't remove a chat from the wrong place. Clicking the project opens its workspace, where you'll see all the sections related to that project. Inside the project, locate the chat section. Here, you'll see the list of chats associated with that project. Scanning this list is a quick way to confirm which conversation you want to remove. If two chats have similar titles, glance at the preview or last updated time to be sure you've got the right one. It's always worth a quick double check before you take action, especially in shared environments. Next, move your mouse over the chat you want to remove. When you hover over it, additional controls appear. This hover state is designed to keep the interface clean until you need options. Look for the three-dot icon that usually indicates more actions. It's a small menu button that gives you specific controls for that particular chat. Click the three-dot icon, and from the menu that opens, select Remove Chat from Project. This is the key action. Choosing this option detaches the chat from your project's chat list. Depending on your plan and settings, removing a chat from a project typically affects only its association with that project, not necessarily the existence of the conversation elsewhere. If you're working in a team, note that your permissions may determine whether you see this option. That's it. You've removed the chat from the project. To confirm, glance back at the chat section and make sure the conversation no longer appears there. If you ever change your mind later, you can reassociate relevant conversations to projects using the available options in your workspace. To recap in plain terms, open the left sidebar, select your project, find the chat section, hover over the chat you want to remove, click the three dots, and choose Remove Chat from Project. Clean, quick, and done.